Taoiseach, there's a well-worn phrase from our generation, little children should be seen and not heard. And while we don't associate that with the modern generation and age group from 18 to 30 or 18 to 25 specifically today, it seems to be very embedded still culturally. Forced to lock down like the rest of us, they were treated equally in that sense, even though they had least to fear. And having done that, they are last among equals when it comes to the administration of the vaccine. And they accept that. At least we think they accept that, because no one seems to speak for them. And in my previous profession, I remember coming across the phrase which made a deep impact on me, that lack of expression leads to depression. And from talking to the 18 to 25-year-olds, I get the very strong impression from them that they feel no one would listen to them. They are angry. The CMO has informed them, specifically that group from under 25, they can't travel again this year. It looks like they won't be vaccinated until later. So in terms of the well-being framework, I would urge you to follow the model taken by our colleague Norma Foley, who in her deliberations over the rescheduling of the Leaving Cert actually ensured that the students had an equal voice to the parents, the teachers, the management and all the stakeholders. And so to seek out a way to find how do we give this age cohort, this age group, a voice and people who will advocate for them from their own age group.